Open it. Soft and crunchy at the same time. Traveling and doing a video is tough. Day 3 in Texas of my whole week journey. From flying internationally to Paris and masterclass and videos, everything 1 week.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might
Here we
grab
go,
a
guys.
bat,
We
I
just
don't know.
arrived to this hotel, and the first thing to do here is we get a nice, regular American coffee. We need to start the day with a beautiful coffee. It's just gonna be a busy day today. I have 10 people, 10 students coming. I'm gonna go ahead, take a shower, rest like an hour, drink this coffee, and start the day for this masterclass, for this day 3. If you're interested to see the day before, go ahead and watch the previous video. So I'll see you now.
Told you to walk away.
Welcome, Vito. It's 8 a.m. and I'm ready to do my breakfast. I'm eating this morning bagel with butter and jelly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and prepare everything for the client, my student, to make this masterclass. Okay guys, like you can see, I'm nice and fresh. I take a shower and here we are. This is the location of the masterclass that we're going to take next to Little Caesar Pizza. This guy is gonna help me with the masterclass. We have Francesco. Francesco is the manager of this place. Thank you, Francesco, for having me here. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. We are doing the masterclass here at Pizza Group in Texas. I'm excited to show you what we are working here right now. This is the place where we're doing the masterclass, and this is gonna be a professional masterclass. Everybody is gonna use their own mixer, which is my own mixer, of course. Grazie per la mano. So everybody, they're gonna use their own mixer. I'm gonna be here teaching all the people. I mean, look at the date and the time, because if you're watching the other videos, this is December 10, 8:29. Masterclass starts at 9. To wrap it up, let's start this rock and roll. Before putting the jacket on, the students are already here. Look at it, this is the gift that I'm gonna give it to the people. Coffee cup from Italy, a pizza cutter with my signature, towel from Puglia, and a t-shirt, a custom t-shirt from, I wanna say thank you to Etica for giving me this t-shirt for free. And then what I'm doing here, I'm doing my own signature in all the mixer. Check my link in description if you wanna get this mixer, because I came here to Houston, Texas, which is the facility where we are going to do the logistic. I'm going to make a signature to all the mixers. Like you can see, we have hundreds of mixers, all available for you to ship now. In 3 days, it's at your house. Everything with a signature. And also, check out my masterclass online. Let's put the flour and ready to rock it.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know.
Thank you so much for coming, and we can start. So what I want to know today from all of you guys, who is here for business, who is here for the home? Who is here for the home is going to be professional at home. Good luck with that, because once you know how to make the pizza, everybody's going to come to your house. So I'm here today, we're gonna do some professional course and also for home. Day 1 is making the dough, making the balls, understand the gluten structure, how to make the gluten, the balls, the dough. So basically the most important part of making the dough. The dough have 2 processes, leavening process and fermentation process. You want to eat the pizza when it's fermenting. So we want to make 50 pizzas. How many liters of water we need? 5. This mixer have 10 speed. It's for a reason. So everybody puts the speed number 1. If you're going to add more water right now, you're going to destroy the gluten. Remember speed number 5. Remember the speed. Yeah, add a little bit of water. Not all together, a little bit. Up 8.
8.
And add more water. The more we speed up, the faster we'll make the dough. Yeah. Make sure you have olive oil in your hands. If it's not, just grab it from the counter. The top everywhere, everywhere, otherwise it's gonna dry out. fill a balloon, more. I think it's good size. Measure it. Once you have it there, measure it. It's good size. Cut. And just grab it and just measure it. When you have the size that you think is good, chop it. Boom. Now we're gonna do the business. The business is basically the bigger version of the small version. This is to show you that even at home we can do a professional to like in the business. This is yes, second speed. Go check it out. How it's gonna build the gluten right now. Yeah. See when you cut, it feels strong. The more it's strong, the more you build the gluten properly. Open it. And now, on 3, flip it over. Vai, little by little, vai. 3. Again from here, whatever we didn't do it. Now flip it over. I think yours it's ready to use. That's how you cut. The traditional way is like this, the traditional way. So if you're cooking at hot temperature and you have a thicker cut, it's not gonna melt it. So with the spatula, I go under, I cut the sides, and then I put flour under, see? Flour, hold it, then put flour, because this is the peel with the hole, so no worry about. Don't just throw the pizza. Stop there, and then one shot. Then what we do, we put a little bit of olive oil on the crust, around. You imagine this pizza with basil and everything. Now go all the way in, go. Now gentle, go, move. Beautiful. Shh. It's something a special dedicated from my friend here that just did a masterclass with me in Italian. This way, when she gets home and for Christmas, she's going to put it on the translator and figure out what it says. Whew. Okay, guys, day 1 is done. And we're gonna get ready for tomorrow, day 2 of my masterclass. Right now is 11th of December, masterclass day 2, and wait and see what's going on. Tonight, nothing is gonna happen. I'm gonna go sleep and rest. See you tomorrow. Hey, good morning, guys. Day number 4, I believe. Yes, day number 4. And this is the second day of, actually it's day 2 of masterclass. So this video, please go ahead and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun week. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Guys, welcome. Good morning and day 2 of masterclass. If you eat the pizza during the leavening process, what happens? Stomach blows. This is basically your yeast. Mm-hmm. So now, from now on, we don't put any more yeast. We can go ahead and speed up the mixer. Add number 5.
I kind of copied your recipe, but I didn't make the Polish. I kind of used it as a...
Direct 15 to 20 minutes, okay. And then we are ready to boil it. More tight. Not like that, but like this. You have a perfect example here. You just stretch it. But I like it like this, you know. It's a little bit overcooked. You guys need to practice when I say, okay, wait, always the top on top, okay? You can go right and left, Edge.
Okay, and stop.
Canadian style, it's new for me. Right.
You make this under ice.
Let me see, under ice, what that means? Close your eyes. Ready?
Ready?
That's the style right here, let me see.
Okay.
Boom, voila.
Close it, feel it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Pull, feel and pull, feel and pull. Close your eyes, go.
Oh, applause for this. done. Really good. It's okay. So this is our video for making a viral video, hopefully, for business. In 2025, 24, well, it's more important this than making a good product. Believe it or not, but this is more important than China is like this.
Yeah, and you know, with a video like this, it's not going to go viral to say, "Let me show you how to make a margarita pizza," and
we
it's
have to
5
create the whole
minutes of us
situation.
like, "Wow, okay, now you take the sauce," for TikTok and for short form content, but it's going to stick with you to say, "Did you see Vito make a pizza blindfolded and how good it was?" And then the other guy just sucked at it. You know, that's kind of the bit, and it sticks in your mind because it's a good concept.
Let me show you how to make a pizza.
Can you do it blindfolded?
Sure, easy. That's challenging. Even taking out the dough from the box. And that's when you see 20 years of experience.
Okay.
It needs to be 13 inches. Huh?
Yeah, pretty good.
Oh,
That's pretty good. That's not bad.
you attack it with the maestro with Iacopelli, bro. Now your turn.
What?
Blindfold.
Oh gosh.
Okay, now it's for the student to make the pizzas. L'ultimo step. From this moment, don't move anymore the peel. Stop inside and boom, out. Don't be scared at this point. Finger under and make it bigger. Outside the peel. Bigger. All the way. No. Pizza. One shot. Okay, put it right here. One shot. Go back, go back, go back. Again. Stop. One shot. Good. Important. First of all, you stop with your foot and you move your body. You cannot walk around with the pizza like that, or it's gonna fall down. So you stop, you look at the pizza, eyes at the pizza all the time until it goes on the plate. Okay, it doesn't fall. It doesn't. But if I go like this, I get distracted. My hand moves, it's gonna fall. Look, it's gonna fall down. Get distracted. Don't look at the pizza and look around. Look around.
Okay.
See, look. Do you see? Because your eyes were outside.
Everywhere but the pizza.
Yes, but there I touch you so much. See?
Elbow.
Look at the pizza.
I'm looking only at the pizza, damn it.
Okay.
Here we go, Vito. Look
Put
at
it
me
down.
looking at this pizza. Oh no,
Put
you
it
need to
down.
hit my elbow again.
Put it down.
Hit my elbow. Oh,
No, the
there
pizza
we
will
go.
not
The
fall
pizza
because
didn't
you are
fall.
looking at the pizza.
Good teacher.
Soft and crunchy at the same time.
At the same time. In the same time.
At the same time. But I always say, okay, guys, day number 2 of my masterclass, it's almost over, but I want to do something really important since we're here. This is a warehouse where I have my dough machine, dough mixers. So because those are the last, there is for sale, the last one before we get the next shipping. And this is the perfect gift for Christmas. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up all of them. Look at this. So 180. And go ahead. It's a perfect gift. So if you want it today, that's what we're doing right now. You're gonna get it with my own signature. Voila, look at this. And smiley face. Okay, guys, here I have the certificate. I'm gonna give you everybody because everybody answered good, hopefully. Bye, congratulations. Kyle, even for you, man. Nicole, so sorry.
Thank you.
Is that right? Congratulations. You can put this on the pizzeria. Pignon? Yes. Pignon. Pignon. Yeah. Congratulations, Carlo. Congratulations, Ed. Is that correct?
Pizza. I'm not doing one pizza. That's a waste of my time.
Congratulations.
I love you. Can I have a hug, please? I love you so much. Thank you.
Soft and crunchy at the same time. That's what I'm talking about. Good job, guys. So exhausted with day number 2. What do you think of this class?
This was incredible. This class was great. You taught me things that I Didn't
Insane.
think I'd ever know.
I know. Check him out because he does crazy food videos. Day number 2 is gone, but now we are going to eat Texas style.
Texas brisket.
So what are you gonna bring me?
We're going to Rudy's.
Rudy's. That's not over yet. It's finished for now, because I have a party, private event in Orlando, but we are in Texas. We are about to taste the real brisket for the first time, the real one. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. My friend here we're about to taste the America. The America. Your mother is not here. Please clean your own mess. Well, we just got a Coke. We got a Coke. That's like my place in Soft and Crunchy there. Wow, guys. Looks like I'm in a playground of... wow. Can't wait to taste this brisket.
Yeah.
Please tell me, what we need to have?
When you're in Texas, you have to have Texas brisket.
Yeah,
You gotta have smoked sausage.
yeah, smoked
Spicy
sausage.
sausage is good, or regular. But the brisket is the best. You could do a chopped brisket, like in a sandwich, or
Yeah.
you could just...
We're gonna go animal style.
And you get the spicy barbecue.
Of course, animal style.
Yeah.
I mean, take a look of the sauces. Shoot, the dessert sauce, they have everything. Can I order the brisket moist, spicy chopped sausage? Yeah, I'm excited, man. I come from Italy. I come from Italy, man, for this. So make sure it's the best. I know it's the best. We go the brisket. Ooh, can't wait to taste this. And this is our table of the beast, right there. This thing on the wall. You go ahead. Oh, and you just open. Fantastic. And the sauce. This is the sauce. Spicy sauce on the meat. I know Google is gonna hate me because Google is only. Google, I'm sorry. I know it's only salt and peppers. I like the sauce. Goes on the sauce. So I got the Texas style. And this little thing is brisket.
Chopped brisket, finely chopped.
Chopped brisket. Look at this. Nice and wet sausage. Ooh. Sorry. We're gonna do the real thing here. And now we are talking. Ooh. Take a look at this piece of brisket. Wow. Wow. Go for it. You want some?
Yeah.
Nice, smoky flavor, insane taste. Wow. The smoke,
Oh yeah, smoke.
the meat, the fat. Wow. The sausage.
Everyone's system because I'm so Vegas.
Wow.
I'm literally head to toe.
You know what?
I mean, truly.
And after this, we can go sleep. Guys, this today was very hard day, but everybody's happy. We were able to make this masterclass of day 2. Everybody were happy, and now we're gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow morning we have another flight to go to Orlando to do a private event, private catering, and see me. I'm gonna go ahead and find all the ingredients to prepare. It's gonna be super challenging because I don't have anything, and then I'm going to make it happen, and you'll see how. So please go ahead, watch until the end, and I'll see you at tomorrow. And make sure to watch and share this video with everyone. Actually, I'll see you in the next video. I'm breaking this video in another part, so it's gonna be the next following video.